So let's see if the Manta M1 can take care of this disaster of a pool surface.
If you own a pool, you already know that the surface is where the battle starts when it comes to keeping it clean. Leaves, bugs, pollen, cotton fluff, whatever there is out here, it's gonna land on the surface first. That's where the problem starts. If you don't get it out quickly, it sinks down to the bottom, and now your floor cleaner has to do even more work. That's the idea here behind the Manta M1. Instead of cleaning the floors, walls, and waterline like most pool robots, this one focuses entirely on the surface. It floats around the pool, collecting debris before it ever has a chance to sink to the bottom. Now, I've tested a lot of pool robots over the years, and this is definitely one of the more unique designs that I've come across, whether it was a pool skimmer or a pool robot. The shape is inspired by a manta ray, which actually makes a lot of sense once it's in the water. Rather than looking like a box floating around the pool, it glides across the surface and feels like it belongs there. And it actually moves way faster than I thought it would, while still being very effective. But of course, looks only matter if it actually gets the job done. The Manta M1 uses ultrasonic sensors and a planned cleaning pattern instead of just randomly bouncing around the pool. The goal is to cover the surface more efficiently and spend less time retracing the same area over and over. For a pool of my size here, that's important because debris usually collects in the same corners depending on wind direction. A cleaner that follows a route generally does a much better job than one that just wanders around. Now, in a rectangular pool or a geometric pool, you're gonna see that even more. With a freeform shape here, it doesn't do quite as systematic, but it is still doing a great job. Another thing that I noticed is how quiet it is. The Manta uses a shaftless propulsion system. So while it's moving around collecting leaves and bugs, you're not hearing motors whining across the pool. If you're sitting outside enjoying the backyard, it's easy to forget it's even running. It's so quiet. I absolutely love that aspect of it. Battery life is also another strong point. According to the specs, the Manta M1 can run for up to 10 hours on a single charge, which is far longer than most pool cleaning sessions would require. Charging takes around 5 to 6 hours, and the battery is a sizable 10,000 milliamp pack. I really am impressed at how efficient and quickly it skimmed my entire pool. One feature I thought was pretty clever is the built-in solar charging. There are solar panels integrated in the top of the robot that help extend runtime while it's floating and skimming across the surface. It's not replacing plug-in charging, but every bit of extra power helps when the robot spends all day sitting in the direct sunlight, especially here in Tucson, Arizona. When it comes to debris collection, the basket holds up to 4 liters, which is quite a bit of debris in my opinion. And unlike some pool cleaners where removing the basket feels like a wrestling match, the Manta has a dedicated release button, which is cleverly designed. Press it and the debris basket pops up so you can pull it out, dump it, rinse it, and drop it right back into your swimming pool. Super convenient, super efficient, and that's what I love about the Manta M1. It keeps everything simple. The Manta also connects to a smartphone app through Bluetooth, and setup was super easy. From the app, you can monitor battery level, check water temperature, see charging status, update firmware, and even manually drive the robot around the pool if you want to move it to a specific area. There are also multiple operating modes inside of the app that you can choose from. You can set it to run for 2 hours, 4 hours, or continuously. Now in continuous mode, when the battery drops below 50%, it automatically pauses, recharges, and then resumes cleaning later. That means less babysitting and fewer reasons to think about it. The Manta is also designed to work in virtually any swimming pool shape and supports vinyl, fiberglass, ceramic, and other common pool finishes. It can handle saltwater pools like I've got right here, up to 5,000 parts per million, and chlorine level up to 4 ppm.
One thing that I thought was pretty clever is how Manta moves through the water. Instead of using a traditional shaft-driven motor, it uses what's called shaftless sensor tech. The benefit is simple. There's a lot less opportunity for hair and debris to wrap around moving parts, which means less maintenance and fewer times pulling it out of the water to clean it. The other thing that sets it apart is how it navigates. Most surface skimmers just wander around and eventually get where they're going. Manta actually follows a planned route across the surface of the pool. In fact, it's currently the only pool robot designed specifically for surface cleaning that uses intelligent path planning. So instead of hoping it eventually covers everything, it cleans with a purpose.
After spending time looking through the features that are offered here, I think the Manta makes the most sense for pool owners who already have a floor cleaning robot but want something dedicated to surface debris.
Man, look at how crystal clear the Manta M1 got the surface of the water. Debris down to the bottom of the pool that I still need to get picked up, but that's only because I didn't have this thing running beforehand and debris had fallen and gone to the bottom. So I will need to throw in one of my robot pool cleaners to get the bottom surface, but the top surface is crystal clear. And it was only out here running for a few hours and it got this thing sparkly.
And in fact, the surface is super clean now. Now I need to send one of my pool cleaning robots down underneath to get the rest. Because let's be honest, your expensive pool robot isn't doing the whole job if it's not taking care of the stuff that's floating on the surface. The Manta tackles that very specific problem. And if it keeps me from grabbing the skim net every single afternoon just to go swimming, that's already a huge win in my book. Let me know in the comments, would you use a dedicated surface cleaning robot like this one, or would you rather stick with a traditional all-in-one pool robot cleaner? Check the links in the description for more details about the Manta M1 and get your hands on one now because they're brand new to the market. I'll see you guys in the next one.